So, hello friends, how are you doing? This is Shrinivas Birla, Chairman and CEO of Birlamedisoft. Today we are going to see the demonstration of PathoGold Cloud, a cloud-based lab information system by Birlamedisoft, and it's a very powerful project, powerful lab software which can be used for the smallest laboratory to the biggest chain of diagnostic center laboratories. This software is very much useful for them. This software is hosted on very high-speed cloud servers, which are 24/7, 365 days, 99.9% online. They never fail. And your data is 100% secured on our servers. So, and you need not to worry about your data loss because these high-speed servers and the cloud server is very robust and regularly database backup is taken. It's a real-time data backup is taken. Means whatever you are just typing and you are submitting, that will be recorded instantly immediately to the cloud server. So you need not to worry about the data loss. This software will work by the 100% internet connection, and it's a very robust software. So let's see, without wasting much time, let's see the demonstration of this software. You will log into the software by going to the website called as www.pathogoldcloud.com. This is the website on which this software is available, and you will be getting username and password once you subscribe to the subscription of this software. So let me sign up. Let me sign up to the system and log in. Okay. Now here is the menu, completely menu. The system is very easy to understand. It is a complete ERP software for the laboratories. So let's say this is the admin control panel where all the administrative functions are possible. This entire software is configurable. You can configure this software. You can change test parameters. You can virtually do everything. There is no need of contacting us, and this software comes with plenty of video material so that you can learn the software on your own. It's like somebody is giving you the training, is like that. The software will teaches you each and everything at various topics into the software which are given over there. You will find out videos for this. So admin section is there where you are going to get the complete information. Then we will see the registration menu. The registration menu is for the registration of the patient. Okay. So this is the registration menu. Then comes to the accession. So when you do registration, then you do the sample accession. Means you collect the sample where the barcodes are generated. This is called an accession menu, where you accept the sample or you reject the sample. Then next option is patient result, where we enter the result for the complete patient. Now at this level, at the patient result entry, it can be also connected with the various analyzers. So all the data will come automatically to the software, and those data can be edited manually also. If you want to do any corrections, anything, you can manually enter the data as well. Okay. Next section is accounts, where you can see all type of accounts. So there are sections like collection center account. So if your plan is having a collection center, then you can have a collection center account. And then patient account. So individual patient, this is a patient account. And the accounting reports are there. Okay, collection and everything. Then next section is inventory control. This entire software can have the inventory control. So reagents, kits, whatever is required for the laboratory, automatically there's a purchase order creation, then invoicing is done. All these things are available into the inventory control menu. Okay, completely. So you can see how much stock is available, current stock is available in your laboratory. Then this is a consultant model. So suppose you have a laboratory diagnostic center along with the OPD consultation, then we have a consultant module completely. So this consultant model is nothing but the EMR, electronic medical record, where doctors are coming and they are taking the complete vital information, giving the medication, everything is available into the consultant model. You can do video consultation also with the patient. So this is the completely, you can see that teleconsultation is there. So video consultation is there. All these things comes into the consultant model. Then there is a section called a utility. So utility section, you can have a appointment section. Then you can do a marketing. So, this software is very useful, where you can send the marketing campaign mailers to the patients visited, or the patients which are the new patient. If you create any type of packages, you can make the awareness of your packages, and the campaigning can go via WhatsApp. So all these things is available into the marketing campaign. And there's a scheme, refer a friend is there. The refer a friend means you can refer, this software can be referred to another friend, so you get the points. So that is a refer a friend is available. Then search patient is there. Search patient is a very important utility. Whatever the data is there, you can search data in a variety of date range, by registration number, by test. So many search parameters are available into this section. If I click over here, you will see various search parameters. You can search by date range, you can search by department, you can search by title, you can search by individual test, you can search by mobile number, patient name, doctor name, via address, anything you can search it. Okay. And search, you have got a master control. If you want to go directly, you can just click over here and you will directly go to the details of the patient. So this is the search criteria is there. Then a control panel. Very important point of this entire software is a control panel. In a control panel, you will find out two things. One is called as control panel and help center. So let me introduce the control panel. Now control panel is such a thing where most frequently all the operations are given at one point. Okay, if you see here, you can see change control normal values, test rate entry, interpretation entry, all these things, important functions are given over here, which are also available in the menus. But instead of going to the menus, you can simply press change normal value, just directly go to the normal value changes. So like that, the control panel values are the control panel is very important. See, you can directly go there. So this way, most frequently operations are given. If you want to change header, footer setting, just go to here. You can change the header, footer, everything. Okay, once you click here, you will directly go there. See, you can change the header, footer, everything is available here. You can put the upload logo. This logo can be uploaded. NABL, if your lab is NABL logo can be uploaded over here. Then let's see, if you want to change the signatures, doctor signatures, it's available over here. So I'll show you. See, set digital sign. So doctor signature, see, this is the complete doctors, lab technicians, lab team leader. Okay, if you want to change anything, you can change it. See, edit. And you can attach, you can change the name of the doctor and which department they will function. So this software can have the different signatures for the different department of the doctors. So that's all things are possible. You can define multiple doctors and you can put their signatures. For example, biochemistry doctor can be different, hematology doctor can be different. Like that, it is possible. Their signatures will come. So this is the control panel section, which is very important for maneuvering into the system completely from one single location. Then let's see a help center. So which I was talking about, that this entire software is completely available with the help. All the video tutors are available here. So anything you can search it. Okay, there are so many videos are there, more than 70 videos are attached. Okay, so these videos will give you all the functionality. Now let's take an example. You want to have how to change the normal value. So just type the normal, that's it. It will give you the video on the normal values. See, setting of normal value, add new test, how to add age-wise normal value. All these videos are there. So it's very easy to learn this software. In case of anything, you just go to how to put the interpretation entry. Okay, just see interpretation. You have to just type some few words and say search. And see interpretation entry. Video is there. All type of videos there. How to add modify test. Just type something, add modify. It will give you the modify. See, setting, add modifying existing test parameter, interpretation entry, histopathology entry, how to change test parameter, and new features in PathoGold code. If you want to find out how to do radiology, just type radiology, search. See, how to do radiology reporting, PACS. So this software also comes with the PACS, picture archiving and communication system, where you can have the complete digital images of the X-ray, ultrasound, all these images, the real-time images like DICOM images, you can see it completely, and it can connect with the DICOM instrument like X-ray sonography, whichever is the DICOM instrument is available, and it can give you the real-time image, not like JPG. DICOM image will be available, so radiologist can see that image and give the reporting. So all this is very useful software. Along with the PACS system, it is available. So all these things I have given you outlook of the software. Now let's see the software registration. We'll do one registration in the software and I'll give you the complete information about it. So now let's register one patient right from the starting. Okay, test registration. Okay, I'll register a patient and I'll register initial. You can select the initial. As soon as you select the initial, automatically the gender will be selected. So gender is selected. Okay, I'm entering Michael. Okay, this is the my name. Okay, and age 35. Automatically it will calculate, or you can enter the date of birth. It will calculate all these things. Like 35 I entered, so from today's date it is given date of birth could be like this, similar 13/3/1988. Okay, enter the mobile number. So you can enter, see, whenever you purchase this software for which of the country, you will automatically get the country code over here. So you have to select the country code. So country code will be by default over there. So it can send anywhere. The WhatsApp message can go anywhere in the world. There is no problem. And if you see on the top, you always see the how many patients today, how many patients in this month, and how many patients are allowed in this month to you, as per your plan. So you will always get the status bar in the registration section. Now let's enter the number. So I will enter my number. So you will understand that yes, this message will go now immediately to this number. Okay, as soon as you register. I'll also enter the email address. Okay, enter the email address. Now remember, once you enter everything, this will get saved. So next time, if I just type Michael Fox, or if I just type Michael, this entire data will come back again. Or if I just type the phone number over here in this patient name, again this data will come. So all these things are possible. Now, which are the doctor referred by which doctor? So there are doctor lists are there. Once you create your doctor, you can just refer like this. Say like, okay, automatically the doctor name will come. Okay, so this is the doctor name I selected, or I can select by default. There is a self doctor is there. Self, just wait, self, just see self doctor is there. Okay, select it. Now here the test are selected. Okay, here this is the source from which source it has come. Okay, so various sources you can create, like it has come from this hospital or this lab or from wherever. You can create a multiple source. Okay, thus you can create a source list. You can create a source rate list is different. Doctors rate list can be different. Collection center rate list. You can create n number of rate lists, different rate list. Okay. Then there's a section called as ID. Okay, you can give the ID, Aadhaar card, PAN card, which is the ID. ID number can be mentioned. Patient ID number can be mentioned. So the ID is there. Now let's take an example, the test. So you can type the test simply. You can type the direct name like this, lipid profile. See, so this is the code. Once you remember, you can just type the code SLLPR. Immediately it will come. But you can also type like this, the name. So lipid profile I selected. So whatever the rates are there, it has automatically come. See, 250. Whichever rate I have entered into the system, anyone can enter their own rates. So the rate has come. Now let's say next I will select by code. So CBC 11. That is complete blood count. Just see. So as soon as I type the code, it will select CBC 11. So I selected two tests. One is called a lipid profile, another is a complete blood count, and my charges are 750. Now let's see, if you have a pre-coded vials are there, you can scan the barcode over here directly. If you have a pre-coded vials, barcodes are there on the vial, and you got the name and you got the vial names, so you can type over here, or you can simply next you can enter this thing. Now let's see, once you submit, so submit or submit and bill. So you can submit and go to the billing directly, or you can simply submit it. Okay, submit and lab form. Lab form is create a worksheet of the complete this thing. So let's say submit and bill. I will directly give submit and bill. So at this moment of time, I have got the one SMS and WhatsApp message already is fired. Now let's see how to create a bill. The bill is created like this. So if you have any other charge, see this charges has come. If you got any other charges, you can type over here, like what are the charges, like bandage charges or whatever it is, you can type over here. Okay, so let's say I'm adding one more charge called as 100. Okay, 100. So immediately my charges has become 850. See, 750 plus 100 other charges. Okay, now you can give the discount in percentage or discount in amount can be given. Okay, so like that, now I give a discount in percentage, 10% discount. Okay, I'll give a 10% discount. So 85 rupees will be less. Okay, 10% discount is given. Now how this amount should be taken, by cash, by check, by credit card, or by UPI, which are the way you can take the money. Okay, and this software also comes with the mobile app, so you can pay the money and the patient can pay online money, everything is possible. Okay, online payment can be collected whichever way. Now what is the amount paid? Now let's see, 765, the amount paid is 765. Okay, so like that. Okay, if you want to mention something, what other charges are there, you can mention here. Bandage is done, whatever it is you want to mention, you mention here. This is narration. Okay, now save bill directly. There are various options are there, save and save bill and WhatsApp and save bill, everything options are there. So I'll just save it, and you want to take a printout, you can take a printout, save bill and print out, save bill, so many options are there. You can generate a case paper. If you have a OPD, you can generate the case paper also. So like say, I will say save bill. Okay, so once this bill is saved, the green color will happen because there is no outstanding in the green color, and in the yellow color there is outstanding balance. So like that, the color coding is there. Now I want to see this report. I want to print a report. So report, press the button called as report. A printout will come. See, the bill printout will come. See all these things, lipid profile and other charges. See, 100 rupees other charges has done. The balance is 0. And remark bandage is done. Everything, what is the remark, that QR code has been generated. And once a patient goes to this website, pathogoldcloud.com, there is a username and password is given to the patient. Once they enter this username and password, they can see the report online directly. The report can be seen online, or they can just download by the QR code also. So all facilities are there. Now let's say I want to send this via WhatsApp. This bill I want to send it via WhatsApp. Just click on the WhatsApp button, and immediately the bill will come. See, WhatsApp sent successfully. Now I'll show you whether I have received a WhatsApp or not. Okay, I'll show you. The WhatsApp is rightly available on my desktop right now. I will show you WhatsApp has received or not. Yes, see, lab bill from Birlamedisoft. So this WhatsApp will go by our number, Birlamedisoft number. So in case you want your number, yes, it can be possible. The lab, your number will go to the patient, and there are charges, WhatsApp charges are there, which has to be paid. And then your number, it will go via your number. So let's open this thing, and how this nicely it is there. See, invoice, bill date, the lab ID number, the patient name, the registration date, and thank you for choosing this thing, mobile number, and this is the bill. As soon as I open it, the bill will be open. So immediately the patient will get the WhatsApp. Now let's go back to the software and see our other section. Now bill is done. Now next section is accession. If you want to print a barcode, yes, you go to the accession menu. So simply go over here and print a barcode. See, Michael Fox, there are 2 samples, submit and print. So see, the barcodes are generated. The barcodes are generated by code 39 or code 128. Whichever the barcode font is there, you can take it. So code 128. Okay, this is the barcodes are generated. Look at this. Okay, so this barcode can be configured also. Okay, so 2 barcodes it will generate for each test. See, one can be put on the your notebook and one can be put on the vial. So it will generate 2 barcodes. So there are 2 tests are there. That's what 4 barcodes are generated. But okay, so if you want to enter some data over here, if it is permissible, we can able to configure this barcode sticker for you. Okay, now barcodes are generated. Now, once the barcodes are generated, now our next step is patient test result entry. Go to the test result entry. Now you see that the color codings over here. So you see a complete, this is a complete search criteria. Search by client, various search criteria. So you see all the patients over here. So you can see how many are rejected, how many are registered, how many are authorized, how many are tested, how many are printed. So green color, see the color are given. So color printed means there are 2 patients printed, partially tested, partially. This is a complete snapshot is coming. So right now our patient is registered. So now click on the patient and you see the complete, see, this is the complete sheet has come in front of you. Now this sheet is completely configurable. If you want to change anything into these parameters, you can change it. Every lab can configure this complete format as per their requirement. The normal values can be changeable. Everything is changeable. Now let's enter the data. So I enter the data, let's say 14. Here I entered 39. So immediately it will turn into the red because this is a 40. See, it has turned into the red color. RBC count 4.50. Okay, MCV. Okay, so I want to calculate now. See, I entered these 3. Now I want to calculate MCV, MCH, and MCSC. Okay, these 3. So this is a button. Just look at this button. Just press this, and immediately it will calculate. Look at this. The calculator is inside directly. All the formulas are inside. Now let's type over here. Whichever line you will type it, it will come in the output. If you leave it, it will not come. WBC count, I want to type 4000. Okay. Here I want to type 65, 29, 3, 3, and remaining value should calculate. Okay, no problem. Go here, go and type 156, 000. Okay, I don't want anything to be typed here. I want to type 125. Then HDL cholesterol right now 45, and this I want to type is 130. And there is a button on the top and there is a bottom immediately at the bottom also. Calculate. Everything is ready. See, things are ready automatically. Everything. This 0 value has come. The 100 total has come here. And everything is ready. Once it is ready, you can have the remark. If you want to enter the remark, you can enter the remark over here. And if you want to attach anything with this report, you can attach file also. Once everything is there, then doctor, the technician, if it is there, they will simply save this thing and doctor will open and they will go for the authorization button. Unless and until it is authorized, it is not available for the printing. So they authorize it. Just click over here and click over here. Once it is authorized, press the submit and print button. And your report is ready. So see, there are so many options are given on the report page. Print report means report on your letterhead, means local. Merge report. So all reports will be merged in the continuation can be printed on your letterhead. Merge report department wise. Okay, combined report means you can combine multiple tests on one, it can combine multiple tests. This will be individual test, this will be combined test. Like that, report with letterhead. You want to have a report with letterhead. This is a with report with letterhead, it will come. So let's click on the report with letterhead now. Immediately it will create a PDF file. Now look at this. So this is your letterhead. This is the barcode number it has generated. The name, age, referred by client name. Client name is your lab. Okay. Registration number, registration date, time, collected date, time, report date. Now look at this. Automatically it has come into the red color or bold. It will come. There could be 2 options. Either it can be red color or it can be bold, abnormal values. Now see, automatically interpretation entry has come. So whatever the interpretation you will enter, it will come automatically. Look at this. This is the QR code. This is the technician sign or a doctor sign, which is that there will be 2 signs will come. One on the right side, left side. Okay. And another report is connected. See, single report it will generate. This is the biochemistry. Lipid profile report is there. There automatically it has come. Now look at this. This is done. Now I want to print this. This is the PDF file. I want to send this file via WhatsApp. Just click on this button. WhatsApp reporting. The report will go via WhatsApp immediately. It is gone. Okay. See, report to WhatsApp sent successfully. I want to send to the email address. Email. Okay, email is sent. Okay. Now see, whatever your mobile number is here, is given here. The email address is given here. Everything is available on this. So email is gone and WhatsApp is gone. Let's see, we received a WhatsApp or not. So go over here. Yes, we have received the WhatsApp. Just click over here and you can see the report. See, laboratory report detail. That they see this report has come over here. Now let's go to the email whether we have received the email or not. So we entered Birlamedisoft. See, BMS Center Lab Investigation Report. BMS Center is the lab, my lab name and investigation. Double click and you will see complete details. See, lab name, registration number, patient name, referred by, lab ID, your laboratory ID, lab phone number, complete blood count, find your registration detail. For any query, contact to lab directly. Okay, please do not reply to this email address. Means this email address has come from this PathoGold website. Okay, but they can contact with this email address. Now here is the report. If you open the report, you will get the report complete. See, this report is attached over here. Okay, so now let's go and see the other sections. Okay, go to the software and see it that there are important functions are there. Now it's very important things are there which are called as like important buttons are given here: report setting, edit test, delete PDF, all these thing buttons are there. Now let's say today's collection. We have seen registration, accession, patient result, accounts. Now let's go for the accounts. What is the daily collection, daily cash report? Look at this. Okay, so let's go for this today, date range. Go for the detailed report. You will see the detailed report. See, all this thing has gone. Michael Fox, the patient, 850, 765, received 85, discount is given, total amount outstanding balance 0. So this is the report is possible. You can also maintain the daily expense register. So what are the registrations are there? Daily expenses can be maintained. How you maintain the daily expenses? I'll show you. You go to the account department, patient account, and you enter the expenses. Now let's say this is the expenses. Okay, I want to pay to Sam. Then my person name, let's Sam. I paid him how many bucks? 100 bucks. And paid for what purpose? Of his expenses. Okay, save. So like that you can maintain the expenses. So go and report daily cash report and you will see the expenses entry. Detail report. The expenses entry will come over there. See, for that day, the 100 is the expenses. And this is the income and these are the expenses. So you can see the complete register. So there are so many other reports are available that can be explored later on. It's a foolproof software. It gives each and everything to you and very useful software for you and very easy to understand because any layman can learn within a day. Okay, all things can be entered easily. Go to the control panel and whatever you want to do, you can do over here. You can enter the data, you can enter your rates, everything is possible. So just go to the control panel. If you want to enter the rates, test rate entry, okay, select your rates. See, this is the rate list will be there. Whichever department you want to enter, let's say you want to enter the hematology. Select this display rate and you can enter it. See, this is the rate list can be entered. So all these things are possible. This is fully configurable software for you. So thank you, friends. If you are interested for this software, do contact us and we will be happy to serve you better. Thank you very much.